Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. I'm so excited to offer you this free structured program to help you build the foundations of a yoga practice. So every day for the next 15 days, I'm going to post one yoga pose. I'm going to break it down for you with the main alignment cues and also things to avoid. Now follow along for the whole 15 days, or maybe do it all at once at the end of the series, and you'll have the foundations of a yoga practice. Hopefully you'll also feel stronger, have increased your flexibility, and reduced your stress. Now this program is completely free. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And the best way to stay accountable is to do this with a friend. So invite a friend, unroll your yoga mats, and let's have some fun. Resting into the mat into cat pose, and there's a little cat.